Discover this move-in ready, Craftsman-style home with a fantastic open floor plan. It's ideally located in South Bull Mountain, close to popular Progress Ridge. Entertainment and shopping options, parks and great schools in a quiet neighborhood. Step into the spacious living room, framed with a cozy gas fireplace and built-ins. The inviting kitchen features stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, gas cooktop, wall oven, microwave, as well as a convenient pantry and eating nook. From the sunny dining room, head out to the terrace and take in the peaceful views. Upstairs, double doors open to the spacious primary suite with high ceilings. A relaxing ensuite bath features a dual sink vanity, large shower, a soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. You'll find 3 more generously sized bedrooms in this home of nearly 2,400 square feet, plus a convenient laundry room. Enjoy the comfort of a gas furnace and air conditioning throughout the home. And another well-appointed full bath. The fully fenced backyard with sprinklers provides a private oasis for relaxation and entertainment. You'll also love the 2-car garage with ample storage space. A gorgeous home offering style and functionality, all in a coveted Bull Mountain neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.